to Kidz Vidz! I'm back with another sweet recipe. As you know, Christmas is around the corner, so I decided to make chocolate chip cookies. So, the ingredients you'll need are butter of room temperature, brown sugar, chocolate chips, white sugar, baking soda, all-purpose flour, egg, vanilla essence, green sugar and red sugar for toppings, a spatula, and a big bowl. So, let's get started. So step 1 is to take the butter and both kinds of sugar into the big bowl and mix it. Now we have to mix it. Now that I've mixed the sugar and the butter, we're going to pour vanilla essence and the egg. Let's put 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now let's mix them together. Wow, look at the smooth texture. And it's also smelling good already. So it's time to add flour and baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's mix it again. Let's keep mixing this until it becomes a thick paste. My cookie dough is ready. Now it's finally time to add my favorite chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but you can use any type of chocolate chips that you like. So, I'm gonna pour all of the chocolate chips inside and mix it. You have to use a lot of power to mix this. Our chocolate chip cookie dough is ready. We're going to mold them into circles and we're going to put them on the baking tray with parchment paper on it or butter paper. So we're going to mold them into circles. I'm using an ice cream scoop for doing it, but you can also use your hands. So let's get right into it. Make sure there's a sufficient spacing between the cookies, otherwise you'll have one big giant cookie in the oven. So make sure to space them out very evenly. Now let's go ahead and bake them. Make sure this step is done by your parents only. So what you're gonna have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 7 minutes. Wow, my freshly baked chocolate chip cookies are ready. Now it's finally time to add green sugar and red sugar on the cookies. Now let's taste the cookie. Wow! So chewy, soft, and delicious. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please put it in the comment section down below. Bye!